Today we're going to show you how to set up the Eagle lift cushion. This is a great cushion that can lift anyone, anywhere, anytime. So we have the two items. We have the pump, which has been on charge, and then we have the bag with the Eagle. So on the Eagle here we have instructions to remind you how to actually use this. Very, very simple. Two buckles there. We unroll it, we can remove the tubing. Then when we turn it over, it is important to make sure this yellow tag is out the back to ensure the backrest elevates correctly. When we connect the tubing, we have the 4 connector ports for the cushion. Now these here have colours and numbers to identify them. Turn the cushion over beside the resident, and then we are ready to transfer the resident on either with a log roll or slide sheet on. Check the tubing's unkinked, and then we have the final port ready to connect onto the pump. So with the pump, we have this able to be on charge when it is not in use and keep charging. You cannot overcharge the pump. When fully charged, you can do 5 to 6 lifts with this pump. Connecting on, we have this secure into the port, then turn the pump on. Green light showing the pump is now ready for use. This will turn off after a short time of no use. When we use the pump, it will show how much charge is left for the batteries, or you can push the battery button to show that there is 3/4 charge. If the red light is showing here, you will have enough charge to complete that lift, and then you must immediately put it on to fully charge. And then we can turn the pump on. Green light down here shows that it is ready to go. Then operating the control once we have the resident on. So button 1 is for the backrest. This here can be partially elevated depending on resident's comfort. Number 2 is the first 2 cells for elevation of the whole cushion. 3 is for the 3rd cell, and 4 is for the 4th cell for a taller resident. For deflation and pack down of the Eagle, in an emergency you can just click release all of these and allow the user to lower down flat. Or have this port disconnected from the pump, release the initial pressure off these 4, and then you can disconnect and then push down with weight to remove the rest of the air. From here we do an initial fold and roll to remove the rest of the air. And then put the tubing back in place, ensure the control is along the base there, and then loop the rest of the tubing